Hey, let me show you how you can find and manage all sound settings on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. So first of all, you have to navigate into the settings, and now from this you have to just scroll a little bit and select sounds and vibration. And from this we get actually the sound modes. So we've got the mute mode, vibration mode, and the sound mode. When we enable sound mode, we can also get the vibration while ringing, and for the mute we can actually get the temporary mute. So we can set it, for example, for the 1 hour, 3 hours, or even set the custom time range. Below, we can for sure change the ringtone by selecting the stuff from the default, or clicking on the right upper corner and picking the custom sound. When we go back, we can also do the same for the notification sound, but right here we cannot actually get these notification and custom sound. From the system sound, we can adjust the system sound volume by moving this dot. It's not working for me because I just turned on the do not disturb mode, but from this you can also change the system theme, sounds, and you can manage some other sounds like touch interactions, dialing keypad, Samsung keyboard, charging sounds, and the screen lock and the unlock sounds. Below we can actually find the volume adjustments from the ringtone, from the media, notifications, and the system. When we click on the three dots in the right upper corner, we can also set media volume limit, so we can turn it on and go even for this standard over this standard volume when you're using headphones or any Bluetooth devices, like for example the speaker. And from this we can use the volume buttons for media adjustment by clicking on the left and the right one, but we can also turn it off and control the ringtone volume. From this we can also find the call vibration, we can change the pattern, the same for the notification. With this we can also change the intensity of the vibrations. Right here we got the system vibration intensity and the vibrations for touch interactions, dialing keypad, Samsung keyboard, charging, navigation gestures, and the camera feedback. From next we can also find the sound quality and the effects, so we can actually get the Dolby Atmos and the Dolby Atmos for gaming. When we activate normal Dolby Atmos, we can actually change the modes between auto, movie, music, and the voice. From this we can also find the sound equalizer with some different presets, and right here we've got the adapt sound, so we can turn it on just from here. And at the bottom we can also find the separate app sound, so it actually allows us to set the different volume style for each application, and also pick this audio device. So for example, if I'm using YouTube and if I connect into the Bluetooth headphones, it will be still playing on my speaker. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe.